we have to see like 1857 till 1947 in the next few days. And you should not only see on the basis of facts, but we have to also emphasize over the concepts. If you do these two things, the surety is there, you can be able to make it in the questions of the prelims and even in the mains. और कई जगह आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि हमें ऐसा पढ़ाया ही नहीं गया है. Those over, I said that big name institutes are there. I said that we are going to start with the 1857 revolution. And again I request you that you should behave like I said kids. और जैसे बचपन में बोला करते थे वैसे ही बोला करिएगा. And one more thing I will request you कि जो points बोलते रहे आप लोग notes बनाते रहें अपना. क्लियर? आपकी writing speed कैसी है? It depends on how much you are jotting it down. So first what we have to see, like I said, that 1857 revolt, उसमें हमें देखना है causes, events, and then we have to see some of the role of legendary persons and the rulers. Understood it? क्या क्या देखना है मुझे? Causes, events, and the role of some legendary persons and the rulers. And generally हम लोग जो अच्छे से समझिएगा in the prelims and the mains it will be 100% useful, क्योंकि ये छोटे छोटे लाइन लिख देते हैं which of the options are correct regarding this events. तो वहाँ पर हम लोग यदि आपसे 1857 रिवोल्यूशन पूछा जाए तो आपको एक मंगल पांडे नज़र आते हैं, है ना, और one person you are able to locate रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, ऐसा ना, और कुछ हद तक एक और चीज़ बोला जाए तो that person will be I said बहादुर शाह जफर, ऐसा ना, that he has been made. There are, but you will find so many events are there, so many persons are involved. We have to also remember, and यहाँ से probability ज़्यादा questions की रहती है if we'll see like 1857 revolt. Before starting the 1857 revolt, if I am talking about, आपको दोनों काम करना है, बनाना भी लिखना जो है और साथ में सुनना है, दोनों काम करने हैं आपको. And you have to speak with me also. तो हमने देखा कि हिस्ट्री यदि देखी जाए तो 1857 में ऑलरेडी ब्रिटिशर्स आर देयर, यस और नॉट. एंड इफ एनी इंडियन हिस्टोरियन हु इज राइटिंग द हिस्ट्री and who has written something about the Indian history and especially revolt of 1857, यदि किसी ने लिखा होगा, if someone has written, then 100% chance is there it must be, I said, that destroyed, because it will be more of Indian element, not of, I said, that in the favor of Indian instead of, I said, that Britishers, yes or not. And more of accuracy in the history will be there, and what happened in the 1857 revolt वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही दर्दनाक दिखाएगा कि what the Britishers has done. तो at present time none of the facts available, none of the, I said, events available that any Indian historian who has written. उससे पहले की कुछ चीज़ें इंडियन हिस्टोरियन ने लिखा है, but during the 1857 revolt we have not found any facts and figure. इसका मतलब है कि Britishers have destroyed it, and whatever we will read in the 1857 revolt, it will be, I said, that facts, figures, concepts taken from the what, European historians. तो इसका मतलब है कि we will not consider our, तो कहीं कहीं पर हमारे facts भी, हमारे thoughts भी, हमारे concept भी चलेंगे, means not my, what the Indian historian thinking that कि 1857 revolt में it should be like this, ऐसा होना चाहिए था, yes or not. That is considered an analysis. यदि ऐसे events, यदि if I said that if European historian is writing something, तो 100% की कुछ ऐसे clues हमारे Indian historian निकाल लेंगे कि ऐसा हुआ होगा. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि आवर 1857 रिवोल्ट इज फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, लेकिन I said that but British historians and European historians is just talking about it is only, I said that, mutiny revolt. Yes sir, it is a Sepoy mutiny, it is what I said that, it is not more than that. But we are saying it is a revolt of 1857 or first war of Indian independence. तो इसका मतलब है कि I said that there are the two thoughts are there. One it is I said Sepoy mutiny, and another thought is I said that first war of independence. Yes or no? Who says first war of independence? Indian historians. And who says that it is a Sepoy mutiny? समझ में आ रहा है? दोनों में डिफरेंस आ गया आपको, क्योंकि आज तक आप लोग जो पढ़ते आए हो सभी को एक ही चीज मानते आए हो. The Sepoy mutiny is what I said that it is said by British historians and Britishers. Yes or not? This is the spectacles taken by and that is shown by Britishers, and then we are saying it is in the first war of independence. If I am talking about if I am talking about if I am talking about, some says it is, I said that, carefully planned and well organized. Yes or not? And another say it is an spontaneous and unplanned. क्या आप कहते हो? Who has said that it is carefully planned and organized? Who has? Some events, and then must be some Indian historian must be saying. आप लोग लिखते रहे, मेरा वेट नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिवाइज एनी वर्ड. यदि आप चाहते हो कि 1947 तक बहुत अच्छा दूं मैं, तो कीप ऑन राइटिंग. ओके, डू नॉट वेट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू जॉट डाउन. आई सेड दैट some says that this is what I said that, carefully planned and well organized. Yes or no? And some says it is spontaneous and unorganized. Spontaneous and what I said that? Unorganized. Do you understand that what is the meaning of this? Yes or no? So ये भी हम लोग झांक कर देखेंगे. We'll have to also understand whether it is a well organized, well planned, carefully planned, or whether it is a spontaneous, or whether it is, I said that, what? Unplanned. Spontaneous and unplanned. ये चीजें भी हमें देखना है. बहुत सारे इसके एंगल्स देखने हैं, और ये जो आप एंगल्स देखेंगे, जो भी आप एंगल्स देखेंगे, इट विल बी श्योरली, इफ द क्वेश्चंस कम्स, इट विल बी इन दिस फॉर्मेट. क्योंकि यूपीएससी स्टॉप्ड आस्किंग फैक्ट्स, बट द फैक्ट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कंसेप्ट्स. सो द फर्स्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू सी द कॉजेज. एंड कॉजेज में आप लोग हमेशा देखते हैं, इफ द 1857 रिवॉल्ट, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, इट इज इकोनॉमिक कॉजेज, फेमस, सोशल कॉज, there will be some political cause, there will be some religious cause, there will be some, I said that, military cause, and one has said prophecy. One, what is I said that, what? Prophecy. And then another one I said that immediate cause. So how many causes are there where we have to study this 1857 revolt? Economic, social, पॉलिटिकल. क्लास से याद करके जाना है. इकोनॉमिक, और मैं गारंटी देता हूं यू विल बी बेटर देन हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल. आई सेड दैट, व्हाट? इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, यस, रिलीजियस, मिलिट्री, प्रोफेसी एंड इमीडिएट कॉज. इज इट क्लियर? सो द फर्स्ट, यदि मैं आऊँ, आपको याद भी करना होगा, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू से, लाइक आई सेड दैट, इकोनॉमिक कॉज. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सी, लाइक आई सेड, इकोनॉमिक कॉज. एंड इकोनॉमिक कॉज में क्या क्या देख रहे हैं हम? इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, agrarian policy, and resumption of tax-free land. I said that economic exploitation, unemployment, yes, agrarian policy, and which one I said, the resumption of tax free land. ये वर्ड यहाँ लिखे रहेंगे कि which of the options are correct regarding, I said that 1857 revolt. तो ये पॉइंट्स याद कर लेना आप लोग, अंडरस्टूड। तो कई पॉइंट्स आपको आज याद करेंगे, वो वही पूछ दिया सकता है जो आप कॉज देखने जा रहे हैं, और यही ओनली विच कॉज वी आर गोइंग टू सी, ओनली इकोनॉमिक। अभी सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड अदर कॉजेज आर लेफ्ट। सो फर्स्ट वन वी हैव टू सी। और लेकिन हमें इसको कैसे देखना है? यू आर ए इकोनॉमिक पर्सन, यू आर ए, ऐसे आपको कभी भूल जाए तो यू मीन्स अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, आर मीन्स रिजम्पशन ऑफ टैक्स फ्री लैंड, ए फॉर agrarian policy, and economic exploitation. Can you remember? You are a economic person, yes or not? Can you remember what is I said that you for unemployment, resumption of tax free land, A means agrarian policy, and E means economic exploitation. Is it clear? So now the first that we are going to see, it is for economic exploitation, URAE. Economic exploitation, if I say, if I am talking about economic exploitation, so the first point I said that 1757, I said that Battle of Plassey. 1764, it is, I said that Battle of Buxar. Is it clear? After that, which region of India? If I am talking about Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, Bengal, Bihar and what I said that? Bengal, Bihar and which one? Odisha, their Diwani rights, their Nizamat rights, दोनों इनके हाथ में आ गया, ब्रिटिश। दिस कम्स अंडर whom? British East India Company. Yes or not? It has come under the hand of who? British East India Company. And they start exploiting India thereafter. Economic exploitation. Yes or not? Which exploitation start? क्योंकि for the first time Diwani right means collecting revenue. Collecting revenue. Yes or not? So collecting revenue and revenue, Diwani right and Nizamat right, it comes after. Already I consider that you should have this basics. Yes or not? I am starting from this 1853 onward 1947. So I said that, और कोई दिक्कत हो तो you can be able to ask me also. But I think these are the basics, और मैं बताते भी जा रहा हूँ वैसे. Diwani right means I said that what? Collecting revenue, and Nizamat means as far as the administration is concerned. तो दोनों किसके हाथ में आ गया था? बैटल ऑफ बक्सर के बाद आ गया था 1764. Is this clear? And we can be able to see economic exploitation of British East India Company started thereafter. Can you remember in your mind? Yes or not? Is it clear? अब ये economic exploitation इन्होंने करना start किया. And shall I remove? इससे क्या हो जाएंगे? द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया दे विल कम अंडर द प्रेशर, दे विल कम अंडर द। अब ये इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन से आप देखोगे तो यहाँ का पैसा, लिसन मी केयरफुली, द मनी ऑफ दिस रीजन हैज बीन यूटिलाइज्ड इन कैप्चरिंग व्हाट? Mysore, yes or not? And the money of, I said that this region has been able to utilize to exploit and capture which region? Maratha. And the money of exploitation of this region helping in, I said that, capturing who? I said that Punjab, Sindh region and all. So I said that Mysore, Marathas, Punjab, अवध वगैरह तो यूपी तो यूनाइटेड प्रोविंस तो आ ही गया साथ में था। यूनाइटेड प्रोविंस जब बक्सर पहुंच गया इसका मतलब अवध हैज कम इनटू देयर पावर। अरे बैटल ऑफ बक्सर मींस व्हाट? इट इज डन विद द, आई सेड दैट, सुजाउद्दौला, हैंडिंग ओवर द नवाब मीर कासिम, सुजाउद्दौला एंड देन शाह आलम सेकंड। दीज आर द थ्री पोर्शंस आर देयर, यस और नॉट? सो इसका मतलब कि ऑलरेडी अवध है, यूनाइटेड प्रोविंस वाज देयर। इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बिहार, बंगाल and Odisha, so it is already Awadh was there with them. Is it clear? Thereafter I said that मुझे कवर किसको करना था? उन्होंने पंजाब को कवर किया and which region? Sindh. Yes or not? Yes or not? इस economic exploitation से क्या होगा? The people will have and they are not helping those money in the social and economic development of that people, and that resulted into what I said that the resettlement converted into after 100 years into 1857 revolt. Yes or not? Their resentment converted into 1857 revolt in a period of 100 years. Again I am talking about economic exploitation. What the word I said that? Is it clear? हमने क्या बोला? After the battle of 1757 and 1764, that I said that Diwani rights and the revenue rights comes under the power of Britishers. And then British East India Company started exploiting the regions, and with the help of exploitation to this region they started capturing the other regions of India. And after that it has resulted into the resentment into the people against their, what I said, that exploitation, and which has resulted into in the reason of this, yes, yes, याद है ना बैरकपुर, यहाँ पे ये हुआ था, ये भी नाम थोड़ा सा याद होगा आपको, yes or not? So that has resulted into resentment and converted into what I said that revolt, 1857 revolt. Understood? Another one I said that unemployment. Which one I said that? Unemployment. Unemployment. First, they are, what I said that, which country? Imperialist? Arey, which country? Imperialist? And what is the meaning of imperialist? I said that the country who exploits the colonial country for the benefit of their mother country. Imperialism means what? Imperialism means what? A country who is exploiting the colonial country like India for the benefit of their mother country. Mother मतलब वो लोग खुद ही, yes or not? That is known as what? Imperialism. Yes or not? तो imperialist यदि देखूं मैं तो imperialist ने क्या किया? Imperialist ने, I said that, हमारे यहाँ के रॉ मटेरियल को लेकर गया, yes or not? एक्सपोर्ट कहाँ किया? मदर कंट्री। एंड देन फिनिश्ड मटेरियल कहाँ लेकर आए? यस टेल मी, फिनिश्ड मटेरियल कहाँ लेकर आए? कॉलोनियल कंट्री में इंडिया। तो हमारे यहाँ की इंडस्ट्री तो बैठ गई। अरे बैठी कि नहीं? सो इंडियन इंडस्ट्री, और हमारे यहाँ से ज्यादातर क्या लेके जाते थे? कॉटन। हमारे यहाँ वर्ल्ड के 50% पीपल आर वेयरिंग द इंडियन कॉटन। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन द